Let us welcome him for his initiative to be present with us. Now we see, and in fact he is rightly going to, based at Bangalore, and he has now retired, and he is also writing a lot of books in Kannada about Sri Vidya, and he is undertaking a lot of activities in promoting Sri Vidya in the right perspective, and he will be talking about Guru Parampara. So we have chosen the right person here, hailing from Bhaskaraya's Parampara.
I have a pleasure to introduce Sri Vishwamitra. He is a psychologist and a naturopathist, a Vedic astrologer. He has done his Vedic astrology from International Council of Astrological Science of B.U. Raman. He speaks on Sri Vidya and Vedic astrology. We humbly welcome him, sir.
It gives us great pleasure to introduce Sri Trivikraman Adigal, the chief priest of Bhagavati Temple, Kodungallur, Kerala. This is one of the most powerful in Mysore Sharda Vilas Law College from 1988 to 91. And he recognized in his own life that the Devi herself is a supreme judge. So he stopped practicing as an advocate. Along with him, Sri Govinda K. Bharatan. He is a senior advocate in the High Court of Kerala. He is one of the Sri Vidya Upasaks, and he belongs to Savitri Balakanda Mahadeva Joshi Parampara. We welcome him on behalf of all of you, and we request the chairperson to proceed with the session.
May I now request the chairperson, Honorable Chairperson, Mr. Ravindra Bhatt, to take over the session.
This is the session on role of Guru in Sri Vidya. Guru and Guru Parampara, actually we believe in Guru Paramparas. All Sri Vidya Upasana is due to Guru Parampara. And we have with us Mr. Sri Padmakar Dev, who is directly inherent in the lineage of Bhaskar Raya. I will request Sri Padmakar Rao to give his Ashiravad for this session.
भाषा रहे की ओर से अभी आप बसो या सभी को और यहाँ के जो प्रोग्राम प्रोविजन किए हैं उनके लिए भाषा के ओर से शुभाशीर्वाद और शुभाशय।
Now I will request Anil Nagarkatti, who is from the same lineage, to give his views on Guru's role.
सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. In this great cultural city of Mysore, I am very much happy to be here because I was here for 4 years from 1990. Second is because Varivasya Rahasya book was, that is Bhaskaraya's, one of the Prasthanatraya, was published by Mysore Maharaja in Kannada, that is in my mother tongue. So I am very proud of this Mysore city. The next one, but not was last one, and not ending one, Mr. Tyagarajan has arranged this World Conference of Sri Vidya. That is also a great thing I am seeing, along with all great sadhakas here. Now, let me go to Bijapur. Well, what is this Bijapur? Because my parents belong to Bijapur. Because Bhaskar Raya belonged to Bijapur. There, let us go back to 1600th century, where you will see Vishwamitra Gotriya Ekanatha, his son Tukadeva, his son Yamaji Pandita, his son Gambhira Raya. Gambhira Raya Bharati, and his son, our great Paratpara Guru, Bhaskara Raya. Bhaskara Raya had Padmavatyamba, you know, his wife, and one more Parvati also. Through Padmavatyamba, Panduranga born, and one more, a daughter also born, and son-in-law of Bhaskar Raya, Ambikanandanath Dev, you mean, and his son, Mathuranandanatha, his son, Vishwanandanatha, his son, Raghunath, his son, Bapu Dev, his son, Vitthal Dev, his son, Vaman Dev, his son, Bhaskar Dev, his son, Padmakar Dev. Let me go back again from Bhaskar Raya. Here, Guru Parampara, according to our Shukanand Mat Vasmat, that is, it comes under my Guru Parampara. A sloka at the end of that book gives from Adinatha to Brahma Shaktyamba, Divyog, Sanakadi to Govinda Yogya, Siddhog. From Shankaracharya onwards up to this is Manavog. From Adinatha, Sadashiva, Ishvara, Rudra, Vishnu, Brahma, all these come with Shaktis also, come under Divyog. Sanaka, Sanatan, etc., Sanananda, like that, all those come under Siddhog. Up to 18 count, it will be there. Then it comes a 32nd count. That is, 31st is Govinda Anandanatha, 30th Gaudapada Acharya, and 32nd is Adi Shankaracharya. The tradition goes like this. And let us come to 226. And 226 is Prakashanandanatha. From Surat, you will be knowing our Bhasurananda's Guru was there, Prakashanandanatha. And his Shishya, our great hero of this, Bhasuranandanatha. Then, his Shishya, Umapatyanandanatha, he is from Bhalki of, again, Karnataka. Bhalki, that is Bidar district now. His son, Shukanandanatha. These are all Shishya Parampara only, not exactly son also, Shishya also. Shukanandanatha, there is a Mutt, Shukanand Mutt in Vasmat in Maharashtra. And his son as well as Shishya, Desikanandanatha. His son and Shishya, Yagneshwaranandanatha. His son and Shishya, not son, but only Shishya, Dhiranandanatha. Our Padmakar Dev's grandfather. Then Chakranandanatha, our Padmakar Dev's father. Subhaganandanatha, my father, and my son, Ramanandanath. Like this, the parampara goes off. I recognize it as Narayanpet parampara because we belong to Narayanpet. Then, when I said Narayanpet, let us go to Narayanpet now. Okay, what is there in Narayanpet? Bhaskar Raya studied with his guru, Vidya Guru, Narsimha Dhuri, that is in Lokapalli Samsthanam at that time, somewhere in 1680 like something. There. Now, there is one Sanjeevani Samadhi of Dhiranandanatha, to whom I told already. Sanjeevani Samadhi is there, Narayanpet, and taken care by our Padmakar Dev. In addition, why I am telling Narayanpet? It is my native place, yeah? So, I am proud of these two. One more proud is there, I will go ahead. Okay. See, Bhaskar Raya's Janma, according to Guru Parampara, it said, he born on Kritika Nakshatra, second pada. Of course, I don't want to go in detail by this astrological this one, and I have our friend to explain. I requested him to explain Bhaskar Raya's chart in detail. So, I leave that chapter to him. Only what Guru Parampara said, I am going to, how I calculated that birth chart and date of birth, etc. So I differ from our previous research scholars, the date, regarding date. So that was discussed at length by so many people, how you arrived this date. So I want to take this time to explain now in this platform. Well, here it said Kritika second, fourth pada he has born. And next it said maximum planets were exalted. Okay? Maximum planets were exalted, and all these calculations, and his age was approximate somewhere between 1600 and 1700. That everybody knows. So I made a search in computer in a package. Show Mr. Computer these combinations. All these combinations should agree. Tell me. That computer told 28th April 1683 at evening 16:03 hours. All these calculations came right, and our friend astrologer confirmed the chart with his Bhaskar Raya's Jivana Charitra and as well as the chart. Agreed, both agreed. Okay, now shall we see the chart to some extent, at least minimum requirements what? So, the chart has Tula Lagna, and Sun, Moon, Jupiter, Venus are exalted. 4 planets are exalted. And in my chart also I have 2 planets exalted. So I am comparing. Okay, anyway, in that Bhaskara's chart, Mercury is debilitated. So astrology, some Pandit says there should be 1 planet debilitated also. So that is also there. Here in 10th house, Shani and Guru Rahu are there. So he was not stationed at any station. He was roaming. Everybody knows well. And he is about Sri Vidya, how he came, all the calculations he will tell. Okay. Now, how much time? 15 minutes. Total. How much time over there? 5 minutes, sir. Okay. So this is the chart. I have to stop here. Time is very less. So I will go back. Now all these things, and when all the combinations agree with my life also, and so many people thought I am having so blessings, and people came to just asking, come to my house, do pujas, do bless us, make jadoo, and think that I had a jadoo. And in the TV, once we just tune on, we will be seeing Sri Chakra, you purchase 5,000. If you purchase through this, you will have some discounts. If you purchase, and all those things. Is it so? Bhaskar Raya gave very correct this one. How to this today morning, since morning, the first orator in Tamil explained how it is. It's not just a sellable material. It is there. I. Kaham mandata prajnaha kah guror gunagauravam tathapyupashlokayami tanvana safalangiram. Umanandanatha told in his Bhaskara Vilasam like that. I am not the capable person to tell about that great Bhaskara Raya and his creations. Then, he built so many temples for these sadhakas. I also witnessed one Guru Padaka, Padukas of my father and Sri Guru. So, these are all comparisons only. Well, Bhaskara Vilasam says, Chakresh amastapaya desha kashyam. Kashi mein Chakresh. Gambiranatham kila konkaneshu. Konkan mein Gambiranatham. Moola Hrude Srimati Pandurangam. Moola Malla, a name by name, a village in Nagar Karnool Taluka in Andhra Pradesh, Mahbubnagar district. There I have seen, and there he has written, this temple is built in my son's name, Panduranga, as well as my Kuladevata. In Sannati Sri Chakrakara Mandira Chandralamba. In Kahole Deshe, Kaholesha. It is, and for this he has arranged so many Mahotsava Nirantaram, for Mahotsava Nirantaram. And last but not least, in Bhaskarayapuram, Bhaskareshwaram is there. Okay. He has written so many books, Prasthanasthaya, you have heard since last day. This is one of my very good time today you have given, because everything is explained about Bhaskaraya's books and his philosophy, etc. So, I have saved a lot of time. They have saved a lot of time. He has, in addition to Prasthanasthaya, what are all those? Lalita Sahasranama Saubhagya Bhasra and Vaivasya Rahasyam Setu Bandha. In addition, we can see Khadyota, comment on Ganapati Sahasranama, Chandralam Mahatmya, Nathanavaratnamala, Bhavanopanishad Bhashya, Sri Sukta Bhashya, Kaulopanishad, Tripuropanishad Bhashya, Saubhagya Chandroda Bhashya, and Tripura Sundari Bhashya, Ratnaloka, Guptavati Tika, that is on Saptashati, Shatasloki, Mala, Mantrodhara. In addition, so many other things are also there, but only one sloka, stotra, one sloka I will tell and I conclude. Because I conclude they have not given me chit. Okay. Nathanavaratnamala. Okay. Ham sasoham mantramaya swasanikayai yagayatri jantusu sarve pinadha tadrupasan navirabhudvasanayayai tan sanmargam mattamayuram gurumide. You will be understanding this meaning, etc. Uddadbhasvan mandalakala dinanitya vidyarupa prapasadarthi narabhavam yastirthatma mandalapurnakshara tan sanmargam mattamayuram gurumide ityadgrantha Bhaskararayo navaratnaihi malamagran natharavatam gamayanti esha mesha kantagatate jagadamba vidyabhyasa datrajanusheva mahesha. समय समाप्ति का घोषणा हो गया है. नमस्कार.
Mitra to speak his his lectures.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು. I am basically Dr. M. Vishwamitra. I am a psychologist, and I've studied Vedic astrology through ICAS, Indian Council for Astrological Sciences, started by Dr. B.V. Raman, who dedicated to revive Vedic astrology and give it a wonderful platform. And I pay my tributes and pranams to Dr. B.V. Raman, Dr. Vasan, and all the gurus who have taught me Vedic astrology. And in specific, there's another master who dedicated his life, he is R.G. Rao, and he is specifically dedicated to Nadi astrology. I pay my respects to him. I thank Shri Tyagarajan sir for being kind enough, and Trayan Foundation to allow me to come and share my small thoughts. Well, to start with, we are all based on this earth, and we are all well connected and interconnected. We are all standing on a circle. So at any given point of time, we don't know, or we cannot have a complete picture of what is around us. That is why even if we go on top using an aircraft or airplane or a satellite, we cannot get the complete picture of whatever it is. Then, having said that, how do you expect to have the total understanding of Sri Mata? This is the question. Well, in astrology we say Chandrama Manaso Jataha. That means the moon indicates the mother, the moon also indicates the Almighty Mother, and the moon indicates Manas. Well, this Manas, again, we are contributed, or we have a collective information which is there before we take this birth. We take permission saying to the Almighty, can I be given permission to take birth so that I master a few natures and qualities of the Almighty and become him or her on this earth. That's why it is said we have